Howdy, thanks. Joining me, I'm Wayne. Picked up these 3 little Earthspark transformers here. We'll put them together and show you how they do. Here are the 3 little transformers we're going to open up today. These are small ones. They fit on your finger. One of them's Terran Hastage, next one's BumbleBee, and then Arcee. We'll open these and show you how they do. Alright, here's one. This one's called Terran Hastage, I think it is. Let's open this little guy up and see what we can do with him, okay? What is this? Instructions. Well, I don't read Chinese, so let's see what it says. Not instructions, it's just some kind of a advertisement, I guess. Alright, there it is. It shows on the back that you put your finger in here, like so, and okay, like this, like that. There he goes. He opens up right there. Just like that. Okay. There's your little guy. Terran Hastage, I think it is. And there's Terran Hastage. I sure hope I said that right. See how he fits on your finger there? See there? I guess to fold him back up, you do just the opposite. Put that together. Put that together. There he is. This one is BumbleBee. See what we can do with him. Hope we can get him like we did the other one. I think I figured out how to do that. Let's see. There he is, BumbleBee. Look at that little car. Well, it says you do this. Okay, like that. This opens up like this. And there he is. BumbleBee. All right. That was easy once I figured out how to do it on the first one. After you get him opened up, they fit on your finger, see? Like this. Little bitty guys. So you see how big they are. They're not real big. That's BumbleBee. Close him back up. Close these 2. Push that back down there. There he is. BumbleBee. Alright, this one is called Arcee. Alright. I wonder if that's named after the cold drink. Let's get him open here. Or her. I think this is a her. Alright, there it is. Nice little pink car. Got to be a her. Okay, so push this down right here like that. Okay. These open up right here. Like so. Look at there. There she is, Arcee. A-R-C-E-E. I think that's Arcee. Arcee. And there's Arcee. You see how she fits on your finger? Right there. Whoops. Falls off sometimes, so be careful. Right there. Fold her back up. Push these two back together right here like so. Yeah. There you go. Push the car back together. Push that back down. There she is. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.